Hey everybody, this is a girl Truly Jam, and I have been packing up some orders, but I am going to give a special shout out to Anya. Um, I'm just gonna use that name, and I'm hope I'm saying it right. But girl, this is your backpacking. Thank you so much for going to my um, website and ordering the DIY Adult Pacifier kits. Um, So you guys stay tuned for after this video because I'm going to answer a couple questions that you guys may be wondering about the kits. So we're just going to get started in her box packing. So yeah. So first of all, I have this cute little box. um, I ordered these boxes especially for this kit. So it has like my little logo on top and I have a little confetti in there. So the first thing I'm going to pack is the kit, the DIY kit. So, well, you guys know it's a DIY kit, but these are the little tools that she can use to pick up her stones. So you put the wax inside of here. Of course, I have a video that I'm going to clip to this to where it'll teach you how to do it step by step. So, yeah, and then you put the stones in the tray. So I'm going to put this in first. Then I have her pacifier right here. She wanted a light pink one, and it is in the adult size. I do offer baby size also. If you want to do babies pacifiers, you have the option to choose. So I'm gonna put that here. And of course, she get her syringe. Then I have the E6000. I don't know if you still wanted it, but I'm just gonna add it in your kit anyway. Then I put some cute little bowls in there. You know, she can use it for whatever she want to use it for. Then I have, so she added a specific thing that she want. I'll let you guys choose like which cabochons you want, and also the color of your pacifier. Those are optional. So she wanted the unicorns and some teddy bears. So I added that in there and a bunch of extra stuff. Like little cute extra embellishments if she want. I added flowers, stars, little ice cream. So I got her that. Then she wanted pink stones. So these are her pink stones, and she's going to have more than enough. She wanted the white stones. And then she wanted white pearls. She's going to have way more than enough. And then she did want the clear stones. So I'm going to add that in there. And then this is a cute little thank you thing. It's like a bunch of different little cute gifts that she can either use on her pacifier or whatever she want to use. So that's all for her kit. And I'm going to put a couple of my business cards in here. Thank you for your order, girl. In there. And my post. And I couldn't mail it out on Monday, which is when you guys is probably going to be seeing this video. I had to, because Veteran Day was Sunday. Happy Veteran Day to all of the veterans and veterans' family. guys are having a great day. So I will be shipping this out to you, and it will be 2-day shipping. So you'll be getting it soon as you can. So what I also do is I buy these because I like them because they're waterproof and tear resistant. So no matter what, they will not get broken, like hopefully. And it's also gonna protect. It's lined with bubble wrap, so it's also gonna protect. But I'm also gonna put fragile on there, a fragile sticker, so that they'll know to be careful. But I'm gonna show you that I'm sealing it now in front of the camera. So, and that's on there, child. These things are so freaking fillable. So yeah, and I'm gonna fill out the information once I'm off camera, because of course I don't want to show her stuff. So the thing I want to tell you guys, so you can personalize these boxes if you want. I wasn't gonna have them personalized, but I'm going to. So if you want and I have it on hand, or if I have to order it, the process probably be longer to wait. But if I have it on hand, what you're requesting, and I have a lot of all kinds of Caputrons, so I'm sure I probably have them on hand. But I will correspond, like when you order stuff from me and you send me an email, I will get back to you. It's just like as if you guys ask me questions on here. So the only thing that you can request is the different pacifiers, which is between adult or child. You can make either kit for a kid or an adult. The process is the same. It's just I will ship you out a different pacifier than an adult pacifier. And also the color of the pacifier. You can request the colors that you want. If I have it on hand, I'll ship it out to you. If I have to order it, then I'll let you know I have to order it, and the process might take a little longer. But I can get it. And also the color of the stones. You can request the color of the stones that you want to go with the theme that you want to do. You can, did I say the Capuchons already? I think I did. Yeah, I did. But yeah, the stones, those are the only things that you can change within this kit. So yeah, you guys, but here is one that I made, and I will link this video in this video because it's a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this. And yes, this is an adult pacifier, and yeah, I just remade this because somebody else wanted one like I did in that video, so I remade this and I'm going to ship it out to her. I also make the pacifiers, you guys, if you don't want to make them yourself, but I think this is a nice little fun project that you can do with you or your child or something like that, and it's like a keepsake, like you can keep it forever. Also, if you want a picture of yourself, I can do that also. It'll be the same price, and what you would do is send me a picture, and I'll cut out the picture, and then I'll send you it with the resin. So this is a dome resin piece. So if you like want to put your picture here, it will fit, the circle will fit, and you put the stones around your picture. So I also can do that, just throwing it out there for you guys. But yeah, this is endless possibilities. I'm just giving you guys the tools and the things you need to get started. I just thought it would be a fun little thing because there's no kits out there like this. So hopefully you guys like it and buy it, and I'm happy that I can bring the service to you guys. So yeah, girl, thank you for your order. And I can't wait for you to order again. I know you were saying you wanted a different pacifier, so I'm waiting on that shipment to come in, and I thank you so much. And you guys, like, share, and subscribe. Thumbs up these videos, and as always, always have a blessed night. Bye.